Fáilte chuig Rang Gaeilge, your go-to Irish grammar website.
Today we're going to take a look at Aidiachtaí. These are the adjectives of the Irish language. Just so you know, you need to know Inchkin and Animacle before learning this. Aidiachtaí always come after the animal. In the Iver Uha, or singular, when an adiacht follows a Inchkinach singular noun, there is no change to the adiacht. So for example, far more, big man. But when an adiacht follows a Inchkinach singular noun, the adiacht takes a shevu, like ban vor, a big woman. And that's all for the Iver Uha. The Iver Ulra, though, follows a different set of rules. In general, if the adiacht follows a plural noun, we add an a to the end of the adiacht. Then, if the plural animacle ends with a consonant, the adiacht takes a shevu. But if the plural animacle ends with a gutta, the adiact doesn't take a shevu. For example, fur wara, big men, mna mora, big women. The gender of the noun doesn't matter. As you know by now though, it's never that simple with Irish, so here are 4 exceptions for you. If the adiact ends with a gutta, we don't add the a to the end. Bro, bui, broga, bui. Yellow shoe, yellow shoes. If the adiact ends with a consonant quail, we add an e instead of an a to the end, like ban cuan, mna cuana, quiet woman, quiet women. If the adiact ends with u father il, this changes to u father la, and if it ends with I or, this changes to or a. So dinna sportul, dini sportula. Sporty person, sporty people. And screwdu jacker, screwdaha jackra. A hard test, hard tests. Finally, the plural of the adjective allin is alla. Agus sinné.
If you haven't already, do check out www.wronggaeilge.com for a downloadable 10-point summary, activity questions and answers on this topic, and much, much more.